Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound in Idaho. And if you can't tell from the noise, it is hailing and raining. And you can see all the hail down here. It's just coming down right now, just bouncing and sticking. It's just, you know, yeah, it's just coming down. As you can see out there in the field and everything, the hail bouncing off the roof up here. But yeah, it's just coming down out there. Look at all that hail. Yeah, it looks dry right here because it's coming down at an angle, and so the cover here is protecting that. But yeah, it's bouncing in at us over here. Now earlier the thunder was just rolling and rolling and rolling for probably about 10-15 minutes, non-stop thunder. I haven't yet seen a flash of lightning, but yeah. It's fun. All right, everyone. So just a quick update what's going on here in Idaho. So all you out there, you stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.